Hey guys, what's happening? How to add money on Wise. So once you log in using your account, you're gonna see under the total balance, send, add money, request. Go ahead and click the button in the middle, add money, and then you're gonna wait for a few moments and enter the amount of money that you want to add to Wise. Let's say for example $30, right? And you're gonna be able to see paying with. You can use a payment method that fits or that you own. In my case, I'm gonna use Apple Pay, or you can use international wire or credit card, right? I'm gonna use Apple Pay and then hit continue, right? And then basically go ahead and hit Apple Pay, or you can go and add your credit card credentials in order to add money on Wise. Okay, so you will see the amount of your the amount you're adding plus an Apple Pay fee or credit card fees. So that's another comment of this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.